How's it going, guys? Koska here, and we're back with another video. And in today's video, guys, I'm gonna show you how to make this automatic chicken cooker. So it takes the eggs which the chicken lays, and it dispenses them into that slab, and when they grow up, they get cooked. So I'm gonna show you guys how to make it right now. So start off with a 3x3 area like this to lay your redstone on. Then build out one block like that. Place a dispenser. Then put a comparator with a repeater like that. Then a repeater facing this way. And guys, what's very important is that you place a block right here beside that dispenser, otherwise it won't work. Next, go ahead and grab some redstone. String it around here like that. I don't know what's with that, but those are original feeders. And what you want to do is place chest like that. Right there. Grab a hopper. Place it into there. Then place a slab on top of that. Go ahead and grab some glass or any block that you want to use. I use glass so I can see the chickens burn, but you can use whatever you want. And just go ahead and build a tube like that. Then once you have that done, place some hoppers going up like that, and then place some going across. And you can go across 5, 6, 2, however many blocks you want. I'm gonna do 4 for this one, for this tutorial. Then just go ahead and place some blocks, glass, whatever you want. So I'm just gonna make a barrier to hold the chickens in. This is what I'm gonna use to collect the chicken eggs. So I just build it up like this, and I'm gonna finish it off like so. And you're pretty much done. All you have to do is put some lava there, block that so those chickens can't get in, to fall into the lava. And if you want, you can put that block there and put a trapdoor. So all you have to do is take some eggs and spawn them in here. If you're in survival, you have to use normal egg, but since I'm in creative, I will just use spawn chicken eggs. Put them as you want. And the good thing about this is you can put your own eggs in here. So if you have an egg farm, you can just use your eggs from your egg farm. Like so. You just take the eggs, put them in the dispenser. And there's some chickens, and when they grow, they will burn, and you will collect the chickens in here. So yeah, that's basically it. There's some chicken in here because I left that running. Obviously, I just built that. So yeah, guys, let me know what you think. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, and I will see you guys when I see you guys. Peace.